Hello, hello. So ito guys, those children who live in the city will experience what and how they are doing in the field here in the province. So look at them. They help their uncle and grandmother in collecting the corn. So that is what they do. You're so tired. Ay, iyan na iyan si Jay ba, no? O baka mahulog. Ah. Wag na dabong. Tawag, ay, kakapambago tuma na ganayari. Ungkirag man si ka, talagang ungkirag. Bawal. Oh, this is my sister. A very masipag. So industrious. But she can, her color will not change no matter what she do in the field. But if I'm going to be dark, more dark. But with my sister, no, live. I live, just a video. So here are the children who live in the city. They help each other. Huh? You too, very dark. This is my one sister next to me. My nieces. I'm not able to do I can't help them because I just came from removing the teeth from the dentist, so not allowed to do heavy work. But I will still try. I will try. But this is what I also am doing when I live here. When I was young.
Natapon?
Lulog ang tindi. Matang mo sa ano lo sa dalawang pa rin. Hey! This is my sister. She said she's already tired. Really tired. Tired in? And our snacks is only water. A cold water. Tingi kay, ay, ano, tingi. Lagyan mo. Lagyan mo nga kay, ano, siya.